Izakhamuzi namabhizinisi eThekwini KwaZulu-Natal zamukela uhlelo olusha lwaleli dolobho okuhloswe ngalo ukuvula indawo lapho imindeni izoncebeleka khona ijabulise ngaphandle kokukhathazeka ngezokuphepha. Umkhandlu weThekwini namhlanje uzwa amanzi ngobhoko kule ndawo ngokumema izakhamuzi emgwaqeni uFlorida ukuthi zizoyijabulisa nemindeni yazo.
Umgwaqo uFlorida waseThekwini ubuphithizela imindeni idike ngenhlobonhlobo zemidlalo. Abanye bezungeza amatafula adayisa izinto ezehlukene. I-Open Streets uhlelo lusha eThekwini. Amabhizinisi nezakhamuzi balwamukele.
So important to have these kinds of platforms where you can just come in and showcase what you do and let people enjoy your product. And more so because when you don't have a store, you know, these are the platforms that really work.
It was very bad. But maybe with this event, things are gonna come right. And I see a lot of police now are guiding us. But the event of these things like this is gonna help us a lot because maybe customers are gonna start coming. That's what we want in Florida.
It's really fun. It was lovely to be part of it's an iconic street, and it has had negative press over the last few months. So it's great that Durban's taking back its power.
Imoto bengavumelekile ukuhamba emgwaqeni ukuze abantu bangaphazamiseki. Umasipala uthi lokho ukwenzelwa ukuthi abantu abaqhamuka endaweni ezihlokene bakwazi ukuhlangana.
Bringing up out members of the communities, different walks of life, to be all together in an open space provides the safety that is often lacking. And we're hoping that in that way, not only here on Florida roads, but when we go out in the communities, you would appreciate that in some areas after dark, people are afraid to walk out in the streets. That is not right. That should be corrected and addressed.
Umanyathi uthi lolu hlelo luzohambela nezinye indawo eThekwini. Bongani Gema, indaba ze-SABC eThekwini.